and this is the Dolls Rescue channel. I want to invite you again to join in with J Dolls UK, and our special guest channel this month is Rosie's Toy Chest. Take a ride by and see her channel and subscribe. She's got a cute channel and all kinds of doll stuff, and it's cute. We're asking you to join in on our witch channel, and that is show a doll that is a witch or make a costume for a doll that is witch related. You can use any doll at all, from tall dolls to small dolls. I made this little outfit last year. This is an easy beginner's craft. This is a sock from the Dollar Tree. This was a piece of fabric. I think this was actually a t-shirt that we cut up. Darren made the 3D printed soles for her boots. I used, I think, the top of these socks or bottom of the socks to make her boots. She did not have shoes when I bought her. He also made these adorable bat wings and the hat. The hat is so cute. It also fits an 18-inch doll or the Blythe dolls. I love that. But you can make all sorts of outfits. It doesn't have to be hard. This is an easy craft. This is an easy craft I just showed for the small dolls. This also fits the little LOL dolls that practically every doll collector has. I want to show you a pattern that I worked out today. Here's where I need your help. I made this dress yesterday. I took this pattern. It's Simplicity 4719. It's for 11.5-inch doll. And I thought, okay, what 11.5-inch doll? So I made it to pattern at the top of the mermaid dress. But at the bottom, I made it witchy, like Morticia Addams, Vampira, Elvira type at the bottom. So what I want to do is show you the dress on 3 different dolls, and you tell me where to put the snaps of who you think it looks best on. So we're going to pick a doll today. Let's try it on my curvy Barbie first. Yeah, I hate her shoes too. It's the only pair she has right now. Okay, this is how it fits her. Let me pull this around. And I think it's a bit short for her. Oh, now this fit her pretty good yesterday up top. I thought, well, it does fit her big old hips. She's got hips and thighs like mine. But it's cute enough if she had those boots on, which my witches will be wearing. But, speaking of butt, it has that. Now, it could take a piece of Velcro all the way down or some hooks and eyes. We could do that. You tell me, who does it look best on? And then I have a Rainbow High doll out, which is my personal favorite in the dress, but not to influence anybody. Let me pull this down. Okay, so if we put this on her, it's a little big. Well, actually, it's not that big in the hips. And I like how it hits her feet. She could actually walk in that and have a little drag behind. But there's a lot of layover in the back, which I'm fine with. That's not a big deal. Oh, I got some threads I didn't clip there. Pretend like you don't see that. And we could put the snap right there for her. Or we could try it on Gothia, who didn't get undressed because I wanted to show off her little pirate outfit one more time without the skirt so you could see the corset better, but I'll put her in this dress. Okay, the pattern says 11.5-inch doll clothing. That would be your Barbies, your Cindy's, your Steffi dolls, that type of doll. But with a little bit of adjusting, you saw how that fit. Okay, Barbie's body is actually 9 to the bottom of her foot from the withers, what we call that withers in animals, top of the shoulder at the highest point to the bottom of the foot. Oh, that's a little much. This one is 7.5, but your Blythe doll is going to be 7. So there is a little bit of a difference, but not only can you adjust these patterns, sometimes the Barbie tops, depending on the top, as you well know, because most of you that have Blythe dolls, you have tried Barbie clothes on your Blythe dolls. I think it's cute fit. I really do. The problem is, let's look at the back again. Oh, I should have snapped that while you weren't looking. That goes so far around her. Now, what you could do is, if you were using this pattern for your Blythe, is fold that over once and put your snaps or your Velcro there. It's actually quite cute. And it has the bottom hits where her feet, can you see that with my arm? I'm trying to hold, there we go. The bottom hits where the feet are a good length. I think it's cute, I really do. But you tell me, let me pull that back up. Who do you think I should put the snaps on for this particular dress? My dolls don't wear socks, so the shoe keeps falling off. But let me add this and move my finger. I mean, I'm not trying to influence you or anything, but I just wanted you to see the full effect. So again, if you wanted to make the mermaid or Morticia Addams type dress for your small dolls, it is Simplicity $47.19 for 11.5-inch dolls. The challenge is October 16th. You can upload any time of day, the earlier the better. Please use the hashtag Dolls Gone Goth Witches, and that's ES at the end. And they'll all go into a folder, and that's where everybody will go look and come to see your video. You will get more hits on your channel if you use that hashtag. Thank you so much, Jay and Rosie. I am having such fun with the Dolls Gone Goth. Rosie, you have added a lot to our challenge this month. I really appreciate that. And I can't wait to see everybody's dolls on the 16th. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment. Don't forget, I want to know who you think the dress looks best on so I can get that snap added. And subscribe.